My name is Jayant Kumar. I am professor in the Department of Civil Engineering at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. I teach in the area of geomechanics. In this pandemic, I got this item. This is iScribe. 1 minute. So this is iScribe. So using this, you can take your lecture in a very comfortable way. This iScribe is being connected to the laptop computer either by the Bluetooth or by using the USB cable. I'm using the USB cable. And you can write on this by using a pen. And this pen is having some kind of magnet inside which needs to be charged. And usually, I think once in 15 days, even if I'm taking lecture almost every alternate day, so that is absolutely not a problem. And the ink has a very long life. So I think usually it lasts for about a month, and it's very cheap. And the important thing is you can take a lecture, whatever you write, it will get displayed on your computer, and you can record your lecture. And beautiful thing is, after you have taken the lecture, you will be able to generate a PDF file out of it. So that's the advantage of it. And later on, you can even think of importing the PDF file, and you can highlight it. You can again use the same PDF file later on to revise your earlier lecture also. So I think I find it very comfortable during this pandemic, and I find it almost as good as giving a lecture on the blackboard. So I think I did not find any limitation of this item. I'm not doing a marketing of this item. I'm not getting any money out of it. So the concerned person has requested me if I can make a short video and perhaps share with the different people who are teaching or making a lecture in this pandemic period. So I find everything very good. I did not find any limitation of this item. So I will recommend this item very strongly. So this is iScribe. So this is as good as teaching on a blackboard. And there is absolutely no time delay. And I think everything is very good. I did not find any limitation of this item. So wish you all the best. Stay safe. Thank you very much.